What's up everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel. I've just come back from a week in London and I actually got to attend the BETT Conference at the Excel. There were a lot of highlights at the event for me. I got to meet people that I'd only ever met inside virtual reality, like Rupert Rawnsley. I got to present with Mark Anderson and unveil the new periodic table of iOS apps for VR and AR. I also got to sit inside a DeLorean and even try on the new HP mixed reality headset, which is pretty cool. So I decided I'd record a few highlights, so let's take a look at some of the best in VR at BETT 2019. So first up, we've got Immersive VR Education, who were there showcasing their amazing Engage platform. This is the same platform I use for my CPD and VR events. And in terms of the virtual reality technology that was on display at BETT, this was leagues ahead of everything else. The Class VR Adventist team were out in force for BETT 2019 with a huge booth that even included an actual DeLorean. And yes, this does actually belong to them. They partnered with Inspiro to create some unique content just for the event, which allowed visitors to the booth to go back in time and visit the past. Also present were Veative, who were showcasing their unique science-based curriculum content for virtual reality. Moscow University was showing off an impressive experience using the HTC Vive Pro. On the Microsoft stand, they were showing off some of the new Victory VR content which has been released freely on the Windows Mixed Reality platform. Google was showing off Expeditions, but surprisingly weren't showing off any of their higher end virtual reality technology like Tilt Brush, Google Earth VR or Blocks. Redbox VR was showing off their all-in-one solution for mobile VR. Lenovo actually had a fairly large focus on VR on their stand, including showing off their standalone Mirage Solo headsets and actually connecting their WMR headsets to laptops that were running on just Intel graphics cards, no Nvidia in sight. That's all folks, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to get more of the best for AR and VR in education and training.